Hello viewers, welcome to Bonita Health. In today's video, we will see what is the 3-day egg diet. What are the rules of egg diet? What are the foods you can eat with egg diet? Why eggs? How does egg fast work? And more. We will see one by one. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. What is the 3-day egg diet or an egg fast? Is a diet in which one consumes primarily egg, butter, and cheese for a short period of time. This temporally restrictive diet is low in calorie, low carbs, and high protein and results in fat loss mass without losing muscle. It may look difficult, but could this egg diet really help promote fat loss and ketosis? Let us see deeper. Stay tuned till the end of the video. Okay viewers, let us briefly see what ketosis is. Ketosis is a metabolic state characterized by elevated level of ketone bodies in the blood or urine. Physiological ketosis is a normal response to low glucose availability, such as low carbohydrate diets or fasting, that provides an additional energy source for the brain in the form of ketones. In physiological ketosis, ketones in the blood are elevated above the baseline level, but the body's acid-base homeostasis is maintained. What are the rules of 3-day egg diet? 1. The first egg needs to be consumed within 30 minutes of waking up. Number 2. Consume a minimum of 6 whole eggs every single day, making sure to eat every 3 to 5 hours. Hard-boiled eggs are allowed. Rule number 3. For every egg consumed, you need to eat 1 tablespoon of butter, olive oil, or any other healthy oil, and up to 1 ounce of cheese. Number 4. Drink plenty of water and other zero-calorie beverages. Number 5. You should stop eating 3 hours before bedtime. Following the rules are better to get maximum result, but remember, the fast should last 3 to 5 days. Anything longer than that can cause potential health risk, so take care of that. What to eat beside eggs? Even though the diet is called egg diet, you can consume other foods such as some fruits like lemon, tomatoes, lean proteins like fish, pork, low-carb vegetables like dark leafy greens, spinach, and black coffee is fine in small amounts. Foods to avoid during egg diet. It is vital for optimal result to omit the following foods: processed foods, sugars, fried foods, and starchy vegetables. What are the side effects of an egg diet? Common symptoms include low energy, increased hunger, irritability, and headache. If continuing egg diet for too long, it may increase your risk of nutritional deficiency and may cause more harm than its advantage. People who shouldn't try an egg diet: people allergic to eggs, pregnant or breastfeeding mothers, people who have been guided by a physician to stay away from these types of diet. An egg diet is effective for people who want to start their keto diet journey. This is a simple meal plan to get new people on keto to experience the benefits of keto. For people who are looking to increase their ketones level, this is because it promotes ketosis, and ketosis results in the production of ketones. And for people aiming to promote liver fat loss, and for those who intending to lose weight. How does egg fast work? It is necessary to know how this diet works and what makes it successful in helping people get into ketosis as well as enable people to lose weight. Eggs contain choline. The egg yolk contains high amount of choline, and a single egg contains around 145 milligrams of choline. Choline is essential to the liver and people in the keto diet as it enables the liver to be able to metabolize fat. Presence of casein and methionine in the diet. Casein is a nutrient present in dairy products. This diet has its fair share of dairy products, especially in the cheese eaten often. On the other hand, methionine is an amino acid that is found in high amount of egg whites. Just like choline, these two nutrients also help the liver to metabolize fats. These are some of the reasons why eggs are the perfect foods for liver, as it provides all the nutrients the liver requires to effectively do its job. The egg fast is more restrictive than the normal keto diet. Although sometimes this diet is referred to as the keto egg diet or the ketogenic egg fast, it is more restrictive than the keto diet, which means it allows fewer foods and has more rigid rules. This leads to a person consuming less food and ending up encouraging the burning of the stored fat into energy. Whole eggs makes you feel fuller. Eggs are known to make you feel fuller for longer, and this effect makes you consuming less food. Consuming less food creates calorie deficit, which then promotes weight loss. Eggs are low-calorie and low-carb foods. An egg contains approximately 75 calories. It also contains around 0.4 grams of carbs. This means that when you are on this diet, you will not be consuming those many calories. As a result, easy to achieve weight loss. The fact that eggs are low-carb foods means that they will not interfere with the process of ketosis. So, the 3-day egg diet works by providing the liver with everything it needs to promote ketosis and weight loss. Okay viewers, let me conclude. A 3-day egg fast may aid in weight loss for short term. However, the overall restrictive food diet is unlikely to produce lasting results. A balanced diet is a healthy way of eating instead of this. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, comment down below, and for more health videos, don't forget to subscribe.